guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with a pow pow, and I'm here for my weekend. If I didn't say that already, so listen, I need 15 offers for $5. That might just gonna happen. We got CoverGirl going on, so that we could probably make that happen. We have a larger bonus as well, and for that, I think I need 55 for 10 this time around. What do you guys get in the comments? Flavor Wiki hit us with some more surveys, and I almost didn't even do them because, yeah, I've been getting like rejected left or right. Rejection. No, I'm sorry. It's not rejection. It's you're on the waiting list, which is rejection. Why not just tell me that I'm rejected? Because putting me on a waiting list that doesn't even exist is like giving me hope when there is no hope. And so I almost didn't even do this one. It was for cereal, so I went ahead and did it. Now it does start off by saying that there is a video required, but when I did it, I tried it with the Cheerios since that was the cheapest one on there, or the biggest money maker, and I tried it with that one, and there was no video at all for it. And so I went ahead and did two other ones, and then I probably will do the ones that Joseph got on his account today as well for cereal. So it doesn't look like there's a video, even though initially it looks like there's one. And so I wanted to mention that. Other than that, y'all, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome design we can grab. If you want to see what you need to do, keep on watching. All right, guys, so we got some Flavor Wiki surveys for cereal that we're gonna go over. Now, I did do some of these at Food for Less, and so I'll go over both. And so I did get the offer on, or the survey for my account as well as Joseph's. I think we only had one item that was the same, which was the Honey Bunches, not the Honey Bunches of Oat, but the Honey Nut Cheerios. But the other three were different. We only got 4 each. All right. So the first one is on the Honey Bunches of Oats. It's on the almond. It's priced at $3.77. And so for this one, you're going to be getting back $6.50 on Flavor Wiki. So it makes it a $2.73 moneymaker. I got that one from Food for Less because I don't know why I thought you had to buy the bigger box, but then I realized after the fact that you would get the smaller box, and it's cheaper here than Food for Less. The other one is the Honey Nut Cheerios. It's priced at $3.68. I'm getting back $5 on Flavor Wiki, makes it a $1.32 moneymaker. For that one, I did it at Food for Less. They are 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. I had a $1 Pilly that I used. I paid $1.50 and got back $5. So at Food for Less, it made it a $3.50 moneymaker for me there. What else did I grab? There's also an offer for the Raisin Bran as well. On Joseph's account, I'll probably do. My mom used to love Raisin Bran. It's priced at $4.18. For that, we're getting back $6.50, making that a $2.32 moneymaker. There's one for Special K as well. It's one for the fruit and yogurt one. They don't have a smaller box. I was really hoping that they would have a smaller box, but they don't. It's priced at $5.23, getting back $6.50, makes it a $1.27 moneymaker. There's also an offer on the original one as well for the same price. And for that one, you are getting back the same amount. So it makes that also a $1.27 moneymaker. I believe they have the smaller box of the fruit and yogurt at Food for Less. I want to say it's priced at like $4.79. And so there it'll be a $1.21 moneymaker. It's not that big of a difference, really, to be honest. If this is something you won't get anyways, you might as well get the bigger box. And then last but not least, we have offers on the Kashi, which I did not care less for some Kashi. I do not like the Kashi. They don't have either one I need. They don't have here at Walmart. So it's Kashi Go, but it's the regular one. They don't have. They do have these $1 Pillies. So if you happen to be here, grab a Pilly. They're good till the end of this year. I did get that one from Food for Less. It's the Kashi Go regular, which, like I said, I did not like it at all. It was super bland. I didn't like it. I don't care if it got 10 grams of protein in it. I gotta like it. And so over there at Food for Less, it's $5.49, getting back $10.50 on Flavor Wiki makes it a $5.01 moneymaker. That coupon would have made it a $6.01 moneymaker. And then there's also one on Kashi Blueberry. They don't carry that one here either. It's priced at $5.68, getting back $6.50 on Flavor Wiki makes it an 82-cent moneymaker. And I think that covers all of the cereals. I always see these half loaves, and I thought for sure that this was the Nature's Own, but it's not. It's the Nature's Harvest. I was so excited when I thought I was gonna find it and get this deal, since you know my dad eat the heck out of some bread. I was gonna get it for him. I was gonna max it out too. Listen, when I was at Food for Less yesterday, I did find some 55-cent coupons, peelies, and I grabbed a couple. These are priced at $2.32. That's for the Nature's Own small loaf. Using the 55-cent coupon, you'd pay $1.77, getting back $1 on about a limit of 5. Makes them 77 cents per loaf, which is definitely not bad. And so, yeah, I'm so sad though. I wanted that deal. I'm grabbing the Purcell again. I only need to spend 40 cents to hit the $3 back when spending 30 on Fetch offer. And so I'm gonna grab one at $5.44. Now I won't be using a coupon since they do track that after coupon, so I will pay that out of pocket. I'll get back the 3 on Fetch. I'll get back 2 for Walmart rewards. Since I no longer have this offer on Ibotta, it'll bring it down to 44 cents, which is not bad. All right, so next up is the Arm & Hammer. This offer popped back up on Ibotta, getting back $3.50. They're priced at $5.44. And the limit is 3. I was debating if I should do this for Walmart rewards as well, especially because we have some money makers, so I don't know. But anyways, I know for sure I'm gonna do it for Ibotta. Again, price at $5.44. Getting back $3.50 makes them $1.94. All right, next up, I'm gonna be grabbing the Snuggle again. It's the 40 sheet price at $1.97. Using this $2 hang tag right here. We'll pay nothing out of pocket, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making that a 50-cent moneymaker. I'm gonna be grabbing the Glade again, and I actually found a new scent that I haven't tried, and this one smells really good. Okay, so it's priced at $2.38. You know the deal, you know the deal, right? Getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, limit of 3. Makes them 88 cents each, so I'm going to max it out. The, coloring books, freaking, crossword puzzle books, that offer popped back up on the sister apps. The wording is a little different, so I don't know if it's gonna work. And I'd rather bring something back to Walmart than take something back to the freaking dollar quarter more tree. And so I'm gonna grab the same ones that I got last time, which was the unicorn one right here, priced at 97 cents. I already did 4, okay? My receipt went into review, all right? Automatically went into review. But if you guys remember last time, it went into review as well, and it cleared. So I'm hoping that it will clear. All right. If this works out, you'll pay 97 cents. The limit is a limit of 2 receipt submissions per month, I want to say. I'll have to double check though. So you'll pay $3.88 for 4 of them. And then hopefully if it works out and you get back 10, it'll make it a $6.12 moneymaker. So I will keep you guys posted on if it works. If it does, we're gonna have to do it on My Points, Inbox, and Easy Bucks as well. And so yeah, deals on the shea moisture. The assist, she was so helpful. This one is broken, so she literally had to open this and reach her hand all the way over here. I was like, oh my god, I'm so grateful. I'm doing this deal. I'm excited to do this deal because the offer on Ibotta went up to $4. Now this morning before I left, I didn't see it on Walmart rewards yet, but it did pop up while I've been here, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2. I'll do Walmart reward first. I'm so excited to try these. They're priced at $5.98, getting back 4 on Ibotta and then $1.50 on Fetch reward. Makes them like 48 cents. So I'm so happy that I waited on this deal. Limit is 1. So yeah, not a bad deal. Get them both for $1. All right, guys. So look, I'm gonna show y'all, but they don't have them because I got them yesterday. It's on the CoverGirl pencils. They're right here. They've been on rollback for like ever and ever. They're priced at $2.88. They're the double pack, the infamous ones we always got from CVS. So grabbing one of them, getting back $3 on Ibotta makes him a 12-cent moneymaker, limit of 5. So I grabbed 5 yesterday, and I actually grabbed the other 5 today, which is up in there. So I did 5 for Walmart rewards, 5 for Ibotta. making all 10 of them free plus like a little money maker. So yeah. All right, I'm at a different store and I saw that they have the CoverGirl, the warm beige number 545 on clearance for $3.50, getting back 3 on Ibotta, make it 50 cents. They only have 2, and so I'm gonna go ahead and grab them, making them only 50 cents each. Okay, I did do this deal again. Big shout out to Miss Danielle. If you're not following her, like, what am I talking about? Of course you're following her, like, duh. Go follow her. On the Downy wrinkle release price at $1.50, and this $2 coupon here scans perfectly fine. I have not used it in self-checkout, and that's only because the value of the coupon is less than the value of the product, and I don't know if it has to be, they have to come override it, or I don't even want to deal with it. So I just go to a regular cashier and I grabbed some more of these. I think I'm gonna grab some more today. Making them absolutely free, since of course there's no more overage here at Walmart. Didn't y'all just love those overage days, man? I used to come in here and just go ham with the overage. But yeah, I have a question for y'all. I wonder, when they submit these coupons, Walmart, do they get the full value? Do you think they get $2, or do you think they get the $1.50? I feel like they get the $2. I feel like they making the money. I feel like it's a money maker for them, but not for us. What you think? The other thing I'm grabbing over here is the Ponds. Now, when I was here last time, I totally forgot to grab them. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. And so anyway, I went ahead and grabbed one. They're priced at $2.18, getting back $2 on Fetch Reward. Limit is 3. Now, I did have to have my receipt corrected, but I did get back the $2 for each one. Now, really quick heads up. I did see Savannah post yesterday on Instagram that there are Ponds products over at Dollar Tree that you can grab as well that is working for this offer on Fetch as well. So definitely would be a much better deal if you grab it there. So yeah. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. Now, there are a few things I wanted to try today. So I didn't add them into my numbers because I don't know if it's going to work out. And so hopefully it does. And then I can just pin a comment. And if not, then I'll just have to return it. And so I didn't mention Dollar Tree. Did I? Maybe I did. I did the Tic Tacs again. I went ahead and submitted the receipts from my last video. They both went through. And then I did 2 more sets. I think I did Swagbucks, My Points last time. And then today we did Inbox and Ta-Da. And I should have just went ahead and did Easy Bucks as well while I was at it, right? But I didn't. And submitted all my receipts to Checkout 51. They all went through. The Caress, I saw Sister Saving You Cents post that on Instagram. $1.25, get back $1. On Fetch, limit of 3. That receipt went straight through. I didn't have to correct it or anything. I wanted to try the Leave to see if it would work for the offer on Swagbucks. So that's one thing I want to try today, so I'll let y'all know if it works out. Hopefully it does. So pay $2.50, get back $5, hopefully. If not, I'm just gonna keep those because that's something that we would use anyways. And I think that's all that I did at Dollar Tree. What else? I tried the coloring books. Again, I did not add this to my numbers, but these are the ones that I got last time and they worked. I know the verbiage on the offer is a little different now, and I haven't seen not one single soul try it or post about it. And so I low-key just wanted to see if it was going to work. So that one is in review for 4 days. So I'll let you know how that works out. As far as the Downy, I think I did 3 yesterday, and then I did 6 at 2 different stores today on that. And I did happen to try that in self-checkout and it did not scan. I didn't expect it to though, but I just wanted to see if it would work or not, and it didn't. So I went to a regular register and it auto deducts the $1.50, which is the cost of these. And I have been doing 3 at a time. As far as Walmart rewards, I did do Walmart rewards for the Arm & Hammer, the Purcell, the Shea Moisture, and the CoverGirl pencils. It all went straight through, which I'm always happy when everything is perfect, because the sooner it hits my Walmart app, the sooner I can rinse and repeat and use it. And that's basically what I did. So the first transaction, I think I did the CoverGirl with I think it was with the per sale. And I got that 17 right back. And then I rolled that back in to an Ibotta receipt or transaction. And then I decided to do the Arm & Hammer. Well, actually, I think I did the Arm & Hammer. No, I didn't. I did the Arm & Hammer. That was my third transaction because I decided to do it for Walmart Rewards as well. So I did the 3 Arm & Hammers and the Shea Moisture, and I got back the $14.50. And then I rolled that one into another Ibotta transaction. So that's pretty much how I do it. And actually, y'all, I'm already like over 1,000 so far as Walmart Rewards, which is so awesome. And so, yeah, that's pretty exciting. As far as favorite wiki, I still have 4 surveys to do. I did the ones for my account yesterday. We'll do the ones for Joseph's account today. And again, I noticed on his account, it didn't say that they were going to require a video. Mine's it did, but I didn't have to. There was not even a question about a video. Which was really cool. You do have to take a picture in store. If I didn't mention that earlier, you do have to take a picture in store. So just remember that. Take a picture of the item on the shelf, and that's it. Other than that, that was basically it, y'all. So let's run through these numbers real quick. So everything you see here retails $152.72. We had $17.47 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $135.25. And then getting back $53 from Flavor Wiki. Ibotta was $45.50. Walmart Rewards $31.50. Fetch Reward is $15.04. Ta-da! And Inbox Dollars was both $3. And then last but not least was Checkout 51 at $1. Oh, I wanted to mention something else. For my last video, I did give back an extra 75 cents on the Ocean Spray. I wanted to mention that. I totally forgot. So anyways, we're getting back a total of $152.04 back in rebates, making everything you see here free plus a $16.79 money maker, which is so freaking awesome. And as far as all the cereal, I'm loving it. I actually went out and had to buy me some more milk today because, yeah. And that Kashigo is a whole no. It's a whole no. No. Okay? The other ones are good, but that one right there, it's a no-go. Okay? A no-go. Other than that, if you made it to the end, I want to see a unicorn. Let's see a unicorn in the comments if you made it to the end. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.